Ready to capture life's moments with that instant retro vibe? In 2025, Polaroid cameras are killing it, blending nostalgia with modern twists to deliver prints you can hold, share, or pin up in seconds. Whether you're a creative pro, a party enthusiast, or just love tangible memories, these top 5 Polaroid cameras offer something for everyone without emptying your wallet. From pocket-sized stunners to feature-packed hybrids, we've got the best of instant photography lined up. Check the links in the description for more, and let's dive into the magic of Polaroid. Number 1. Polaroid Now Plus Gen 2. The Polaroid Now Plus Gen 2 is the rock star of instant cameras, perfect for creatives who want to push boundaries while keeping that classic Polaroid soul. Its iconic boxy design, made with 40% recycled plastics, feels solid and stylish, with the rainbow stripe nodding to Polaroid's heritage. Think of it as your artistic sidekick for weddings, art projects, or moody cityscapes. The Bluetooth app is a game changer, turning your phone into a control hub for manual settings like aperture, f11 to f64, and shutter speed. Want to paint with light or layer 2 shots for a dreamy double exposure? The app's got you covered. Plus, it comes with 5 clip-on lens filters, starburst, red vignette, and color tints for instant creative effects. A tripod mount and USB-C charging lasting multiple film packs make it a pro's dream. Using I-type film, it delivers large, vibrant prints with that soft, vintage Polaroid glow. Think rich magentas and cyans. The autofocus lens keeps things sharp, but low-light shots need the flash or app tweaks to avoid underexposure. Imagine setting up a tripod for a starry night shot or using the blue filter for a cool toned portrait. This camera thrives on experimentation. It's not just a camera, it's a canvas for your vision. Pros: Bluetooth app unlocks manual controls in creative modes. Lens filters add fun in-camera effects. Sharp autofocus for vibrant, dreamy prints. Long-lasting USB-C battery for extended shoots. Cons: low light performance needs flash or tripod. I-type film can get pricey. App controls may intimidate beginners. Number 2. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 is pure, unfiltered fun, your go-to for parties, vacations, or family gatherings. Its bubbly pastel design, lilac purple, mint green, and more scream style. And at just 10 ounces, it's a breeze to carry. Twist the lens to power on or switch to close-up mode, now with parallax correction for spot-on selfies and macros. No more off-centered shots. A selfie mirror on the lens makes framing a snap. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it's good for 100 shots, perfect for a weekend adventure. This fully automatic camera takes the guesswork out, producing credit card-sized mini prints with punchy colors and a retro vibe. The flash adjusts for close-ups, avoiding that washed-out look, making it ideal for indoor events or sunny picnics. Bright sunlight can overexpose, so shade your lens for best results. Picture sticking a fresh print in a scrapbook or handing one to a friend at a party. The Mini 12 is all about instant joy. Pros: dead simple point-and-shoot operation, parallax correction for perfect selfies and macros, vibrant shareable mini prints, lightweight, stylish, and portable. Cons: no manual controls for creative flexibility, overexposes in very bright sunlight, and AA batteries less convenient than USB. Number 3. Fujifilm Instax Mini 99. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 99 is the Instax for photographers who crave control. Dressed in the sleek, blacked-out body with a textured grip, it feels like a classic film camera, but packs modern tricks. A side dial lets you pick from 6 analog color effects: sepia, faded green, light blue, using LED lights for unique prints. A brightness dial offers 5 exposure levels, and a vignette switch adds moody edges. Modes like double exposure, bulb for 10-second exposures, and sports freeze action or capture low light. You can even turn off the flash, a rare treat for Instax. Manual zone focusing, macro to landscape, ensures sharp mini prints with bold artistic vibes. It's perfect for crafting a vintage portrait at a cafe or a long exposure light trail at night. The Mini 99 shines across lighting conditions, rewarding those who love to tinker.
It's a serious tool that's still a blast to use. Pros: analog color effects for unique artistic prints, manual exposure and flash control for precision, consistent sharp shots and varied lighting conditions, premium design with tactile controls. Cons: steeper learning curve than simpler models, smaller mini film versus Polaroid's larger prints, no Bluetooth for remote shooting. Number 4. Polaroid Go Gen 2. The Polaroid Go Gen 2 is the world's smallest Polaroid camera, packing the square format charm into a pocket-sized package. It's like a mini Polaroid Now. Cute enough to fit in your palm, yet sturdy with 30% recycled plastics. The reflective viewfinder doubles as a selfie mirror, and upgrades like a wider aperture, f9 to f42, and better light sensor deliver brighter, sharper Go film prints. Double exposure and self-timer modes let you layer shots or jump into group pics. The USB-C battery lasts through multiple film packs, ideal for travel or spontaneous snaps. These tiny square prints are perfect for sticking in a wallet or gifting on the go, with that classic Polaroid warmth. It excels in daylight, but struggles in low light, and Go Film's 8 shots per pack are pricey. Toss it in your bag for a festival or road trip, it's spontaneity in camera form. Pros: ultra portable, pocket-sized design, improved exposure for brighter, sharper prints, creative double exposure and self-timer modes, convenient USB-C charging. Cons: weak low-light performance with small flash. Go Film is expensive with fewer shots. Tiny prints may feel too small for some. Number 5. Kodak MiniShot 3 Retro. The Kodak MiniShot 3 Retro is a hybrid marvel, blending a digital camera with a photo printer for instant prints with the digital safety net. Its retro boxy design in yellow or white, it's compact with a 1.7-inch LCD screen to preview shots before printing. Using 4-pass dye subtech, it churns out 3x3-inch prints that are waterproof, fingerprint-proof, and fade-resistant. Bluetooth lets you print edited smartphone photos via the Kodak app, adding filters, borders, or stickers for extra flair. The 10-megapixel built-in camera is a letdown, producing blurry shots, but as a printer for your phone's high-quality pics, it's a star, with sharp, vibrant prints. Perfect for turning your digital gallery into tangible memories at a reunion or holiday party. Just don't rely on the camera alone. Pros: durable, high-quality 3x3-inch prints, Bluetooth printing from smartphone photos, affordable prints compared to instant film. LCD screen prevents wasted prints. Cons: poor built-in camera quality, no image storage if photos delete, slow 50-second print time. That's the 2025 lineup of the best Polaroid cameras, from the creative powerhouse Polaroid Now Plus Gen 2 to the tiny travel-ready Go Gen 2. These cameras make every moment a keepsake. Grab one, start snapping, and share the retro love. Check the links below for more, and let us know your favorite in the comments. Keep it instant, keep it real.